are seeing as of now is the basics which I got through the program I have developed. So basically what I have created is the normal horoscope and the Navamsha or D9, I mean to say Navamsha or D9, and this is the transit. So transit you can get as per the date you have mentioned here. If you don't mention the date, at the time when you are updating this horoscope, transit at that time will appear here. So these are the basic things I made available through this program, and this Excel file is meant to create only these from my point of view, because to this extent file was easy to handle. I mean, it is around 69 KB, that is very small, and this is a VBA file for which extension is the XLSN. So I'll explain how we can use this Excel file. Okay, so here this involves interaction with VBA macros and all. This page entirely involves interaction with VBA macros and all. So ideally this sheet should not be touched at all, just to ensure that program will not get affected. Okay, so these are the basic details for the purpose of chart creation, and here it includes for transit. These are the details. I mean, you don't need to touch this page at all, you just ignore it. I'm just explaining just how the workings are going on as per the macros and all. So you just don't need to touch anything in this sheet. So when you come to here you need to update the details of your clients for whom you want to see the horoscope and all. You can say a name, gender, date, time, longitude, latitude, time zone, city, state, country, and notes. Notes mean to say your observations about the client you can write here. Okay, so those observations what you write there will appear here. So it was formula was implemented like that. So if you want to create horoscope of a person who you have updated here, you just need to come here and the name, whatever you have updated there, the names will appear here. For example, I am updating some X, say male, say 0505 1987, okay, say 1600. Let's take the same same longitude, latitude, city, just for the sake of understanding. So we have updated this name here, and if we pull this, we'll get here. Okay, this is based on Excel formula. Okay, what I have implemented here, name or presentation and all, these are all based on Excel formula. So if you want, you can change these things and all, but it all depends on your convenience. So the names you update here will appear here. After you have updated the names and the client details, you need to click this one so that charts get prepared. You just need to click this one. The charts got, the calculations are updated successfully. So now this is the chart of the person for whom we are looking on. So just to ensure that this chart was actually updated, here I have kept a word stating that for this person it has been updated. I mean, if I change this to earlier person, see here the name was appearing differently. So that means these details are not considered while preparing this chart. So if you want to consider it, you need to click update again. So now these details are updated for this person. So likewise you can get it. So you have degrees and minutes, 14 degrees 42 minutes. Likewise you have all the degrees and minutes. It's pretty easy, and Navamsha calculation also have done it, and transit working also I have done it. See, I'm going to improve this working or Excel file much more extent, where we can get even predictions in the Excel itself. And I'm going to make involvement of AI in this also. But I am sharing this file before I do all those things, because some people may not need everything, and some might want to do rest of the calculations based on formulas of Excel. Because if I see further updation, what I'm going to do involves much more programs get involved in VBA program and all, and it gets more lengthy. I mean to say, processing time or capabilities of the system may require little more than what it is now. So here it is simple, works very faster. If someone wants to update details with Excel formulas and all, from here onwards you can get it. Okay, I mean to say, see, here we get the details, right? We can get, see, here we'll get the degrees of see, here we get the degrees of horoscope. So likewise we'll get the details. Say I have not updated degrees here already. Okay, so if we go down, so here transit details with degrees will commit. I mean, if you want to do further calculations and all, you can do all these calculations with the help of these things without disturbing formulas in this sheet. This sheet one should not be disturbed at all, but you can take inputs from here. So these are the inputs for horoscope. These are the inputs for the purpose of transit. Here I have also included distances also. Okay, so you can get details of distances also here. Further calculation if you want, kind of Shadbala kind of things and all. If you want to do further calculation, you can take distance details also from here. See, ideally you should take from here for horoscope, and you should take here for the purpose of transit details, for the purpose of working I am telling, because either distances or degrees, it is preferable to take from there instead of these boxes. Okay, boxes are directly interacted by the VBA program. So whatever in the box is directly interacted by the VBA program. What are things outside the VBA box are updated with the help of formulas and all. So that's what I wanted to explain. Okay, so here you need to update the client details. You can make the notes, and the notes will appear here. From this point onwards, if someone wants to customize this one, you can do it. It's on your own. I'm going to share this in the GitHub page. I'm going to give the link and all. So before going to link and all, this Excel file has a dependency of Python program and dependency for PySwiss ephemeris program is there. One application in the a kind of program in the Python. So that you need to install. So first I want to give the guidance on installation of Python and this Swiss ephemeris program to get these details done. So first let's go to, so here you will get the Python. See, for the purpose of making this program and all, I have used Python 3.13. You can take the latest one. I think latest one will also work, but if you want to ensure that don't get any problems and all, you just take the 3.131 and you can install that, but don't install from the Microsoft Store, because the way Python works, if we install from the Microsoft Store, is different. So download it from here and install it. Here there is a website here, how to install Python. So you just go through these steps. Here you just need to go to this page. Link of this one is also here. If you click this, you will come to here, and you need to choose is it 32-bit or 64-bit. Later you will get screen like this. So the very important thing is, you should click these both of the things, because to add python.exe to path is very important to ensure that it is added in the environment variables. For the sake of that, you need to click this one. To add it into environment variables path, you need to click this admin privileges also. So you click both these things and install it. So that's pretty important. Or you can click customize and you can make your own installation also. That's not a big deal. So you can do that. So after installing it, you just go to command prompt and you need to type pip install pyswiss ephemeris, the exactly same commands and all. See, this guidance and all, I'm going to share it in the GitHub and the readme notebook also. If somebody wants, can go through it and take the help of those things and all, so you can make use of it. So after that you need to install this one. Okay, pip install pyswiss ephemeris, because this is the program for which we are taking the ephemeris data. This program provides the ephemeris data. Okay, so we need to install that one. Later on, you just need to download this file from the GitHub, and you just update the details of the clients, whoever you want. You go here and you select the person you want and just click update. It will update and you will get a message stating updated successfully. Then it got updated. Once if there is some change in the person here, you just need to check this one. Okay, this line you need to check, because whether it is got updated for this person or not, to confirm it, you need to check this one. Okay, so that's the reason why I kept this line. Okay, so now if you click it, it was updated for XX. So now I am going to share the GitHub link. Mostly whatever I explain in my channel, you can come to this website and click here. For GitHub, you can click here. You will go to GitHub, and in GitHub you got this file, right? You just need to download it and use it after installing Python and Swiss ephemeris, what I have explained now. And this program works on VBA, so you need to give privileges of VBA. Okay, so if someone got doubt whether we should use this VBA program, how it works, you just go through the developer tab. You need to enable developer tab and all, and then look over this VBA program. See, I'll just explain how this VBA program I have designed. Okay, so I have created some modules. See, module 1 is to get planetary position details, including ascendant degrees as per the birth data. Next, module module 2 is about getting planetary distances at the time of birth, and module 3 is about planetary position at a particular date, which is nothing but transit details. And module 4 is about for the same transit details, what are the distances available at that time, whatever you have chosen. Okay, and these 4 modules will be run here in sheet 1. VBA program is there, which it will call all those modules to run the program. That's it. At the end, you will get the message box stating calculation substituted successfully. So that's how things went on. So I think my point is very clear. If some there is no passwords included here, because the whole point of designing this is to make everyone they make their own research, customized research on their own. At the same time, I am also expecting a data bank to be created in a Google Sheet, which is shared online. Everybody can access those details and verify it. That's what my theme is. I am working on the same. Uh, so soon I will share about the data bank sheet and how we do it, how can we update it and all. So hope I made it useful. Thanks for your time. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe for my channel. And in future, you're going to get much more upgraded Excel file for the same horoscope. See, I am working on upgrading this in such a way that whatever the details we got in software, we will get it. Beside that, we will get an AI interaction to interpret the horoscope. I mean, we can ask the AI to interpret a particular thing. So I'm working on that. For all those things, I am working on open source Python programs only, and I am using Excel. Man, this Excel you need to buy. I mean, I know there are alternatives like LibreOffice and all, but with the kind of speed I want to do things, it will be hard if I start working on all those things in LibreOffice or OpenOffice, something like that. So because of that, I am working on Microsoft Excel. We'll see. In future, maybe I try to work on this OpenOffice or Libra also. But as of now, I just want to work on this and make it a better one. You should get everything what you get in the astrology software. That's what I'm going to upgrade. But the basic thing what I have provided in this file should be enough for the person who want to do research and make customized analysis and all, because calculations and all for the rest of the things, person who is having Excel skills will be able to do very easily. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.